at the spot. Water's beautiful. It's about to go down. Dang it. Dang it. I lost him. It's a little over an ounce. So it's not like it's too terrible for your... Oh God, oh my gosh, he just chased me up all the way. That was so cool. Oh, you see that, guys? I was literally reeling in and he attacked it. It's such a beautiful fish. It's a little, hold on. Little green sunfish. Pretty guy. Bye, buddy. My hook's bent out, though. Okay, see if we can press that baby right. Oh, that sucked. Do I have a fish? I have a fish, guys. Oh, first fish. Look at that. We got a little green sunfish here. First fish, y'all. Oh, there we go. First fish, y'all. Release him. Oh! Really, dude? Okay, he's going. No, he needs help. Ah, in a tree. Dang it, I just got bit. Oh, dang it. Took me into a tree. Oh, dang it. Alright. Ah, come loose. There you go, buddy boo. Alright. And that was a terrible cast. Funnily enough, a fish still went after it. What's wrong with this dang thing? Come on. Oh, that's a good cast. Oh, got one. Oh, dang it. Come here. Whoa, hey. There we go. It's a beautiful little guy. He's kind of bland, but it's alright. He's still beautiful. Practically any fish is beautiful to me, so. Oh! God! This dude does not like me. I'm a likable guy. What can I say? Get another one. There we go. Finally a good cast. Oh, got one. Oh, that's beautiful. All right, here we go. Ooh, God, dude, really? Ow. Frick on a stick, Batman. You got some dark accents to you, buddy. Show you off to the camera. You're actually a hybrid. All right. Frick. Okay. So, he looks like a normal bluegill, but he's not. He's a red-breasted bluegill, pumpkin seed looking hybrid kind of dealy-do. Oh gosh, he stabbed me good. You see that right there? Well, I don't know if he can. But he's got some like black scales on his head, bluegill stripes, pumpkin seed. I think he's part pumpkin seed. We're gonna get a cool release on it. Reel got locked up again. The cat's right up there. Get me a fish, honey. Oh, I got a good one. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. No. No. Okay. I got another one. It's just a normal old bluegill, but you know. Except he keeps trying to eat me. Don't eat me. Don't eat me, buddy. Oh, look. You see that little black spot on his fin? It's a cool bluegill. Oh, frick on a stick. Well, he's gone without me. So, yeah. May or may not. We never know. Oh, I got one, guys. It's a little guy. Look at him. Alright. I'm done with catching these and not bass, but you know what? I'll get what I can take. Oh! No, come here. Look at this little guy. Oh! Beautiful green sunfish. We're gonna put him back. There you go, buddy.